What's up, y'all? Today we're going to learn how to make this cool hit effect in Davinci.
I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching.
So here what we have is this clip of the person putting their hands up and finishing the scene that way, and I wanted to match the beat where there was a hit, a boom sound every time, like every about 10 frames. So I wanted to match the video with the beat. So what I did is I speed ramped it. So here I'm going to go to my real-time controls, and here you can see that I put the whole clip at 50%, and then I sped it up to 400% here, then brought it back down to 50. And every time that would happen here, what I would do is add an adjustment layer, an adjustment clip. So I would go to my effects, add my adjustment clip, trim it to the right size, go back to my filter here, then here I would go into my directional blur, drag it above, put it on top of the clip. Once it's on top of the clip, I go to my effects here and I play with the look that I want to give my blur. Once that's done, I just trim it, put it to the right size, and then every time there's a hit, for maybe 2 frames, you have that blur effect. So it's like it matches well with the speed ramping and also the beat that's dropping, and it's like the camera shaking every time there's a beat. So I found that interesting to do, and so I repeated that every time there was a beat in the song. So as you can see in the sound wave here, you can see that it's going up and going back down, going up, going back down. So every time it's going up, you have that shaking effect, and you have that speed ramp transition into basically the same clip. So it's not really a transition, but it's just, you can hear that boom every time. And that's pretty much how you create this effect in Davinci Resolve. So to create this effect, you need basically 3 things. Number 1, you need a song with some beats in it. You need to mark those beats where they are. Then you need to drag an adjustment clip over the moments where there's a big hit. Then after you trim it, and then you go to your filters and you add your directional blur. Put your directional blur on top of it, and then after that you just match it accordingly, and you play with the direction and the effect that you just added, and then that's pretty much it. You just let it play and you position your blur, and that's it. And you speed ramp it, of course, and also you speed ramp it just to make sure that everything is on point and to give that slow to fast effect, the same way where if everything is shaking, it goes, nothing's happening, and then everything's going fast. So that's pretty much how you create this effect in Davinci Resolve.